Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla is invited to build a factory in North Kalimantan, Indonesia, to produce batteries using sustainable energy. Tesla officially files application to expand Giga Berlin. Tesla drivers are almost 50% less likely to crash while driving at Tesla than when driving other cars, study says. And Tesla's 2022.16.0.2 update includes navigation energy prediction, blended brakes and more. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Indonesia invited Elon Musk to build a battery factory in one of its industrial areas. The country proposes to use renewable energy and gas to make the production of Tesla products environmentally friendly. Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs and Investment of Indonesia, Luhut Binsar Panjaitan, has proposed that Tesla CEO Elon Musk consider a green industrial area in North Kalimantan to build a battery factory, according to local news publication Suara. He said that the largest green industrial area in the world will be able to realize Musk's commitment to manufacture products in an environmentally friendly way. The industrial zone in Kaltara is considered the largest integrated industrial zone in the world and covers up to 74,132 acres. The industrial park will receive power from hydropower and solar power plants. According to plans, producers of high-tech and precision products, such as semiconductors, lithium-ion batteries, solar panels, industrial silicon, and green aluminum, will locate their production facilities there. This is one part of my negotiations with Tesla. Negotiations with Tesla are not easy. I said, Elon, if you want to go all the way, get an eco-friendly battery product, get an eco-friendly car product, this is the place to be, Luhut said at the 2022 Naval Technology College National Seminar. He explained that the potential of the area is 10,000 megawatt of electricity from hydroelectric power, 10,000 megawatt of electricity from solar panels, and 2.9 trillion cubic feet of gas. This is what will change or transform Indonesia. Later, we will have the largest integrated industry in North Kalimantan, the minister said. The construction of the industrial zone in Kaltara began in December 2021. Indonesia's economic transformation starts here, where we will manage our natural resources from the upstream to downstream to create massive job availability, said President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, during the construction launch event. Before construction began, the project for the area took about 5 to 6 years to develop, Luhut said. This is a breakthrough. 5 or 6 years ago, I started this project, I reviewed it. Now we will have the largest petrochemistry in the world. This is a total of $132 billion for this entire project, he said. There's no official word from Tesla yet, but we can expect an update soon. Moving to the next update, Tesla officially files application to expand Giga Berlin. Tesla has taken the first step to expand Giga Berlin, officially applying with local authorities to expand the facility on a 247-acre plot of land directly adjacent to the existing factory. The application with the municipality of Grünheide was confirmed by Mayor Arne Christiani, who told the German publication RBB24 that the development plan for the land in question would first need to be changed to suit Tesla's intentions for the property. The municipality of Grünheide has received a timely application to initiate a B plan process in the immediate vicinity of the current 300-hectare B plan, Christiani said. A municipal council committee would need to agree to amend the plan, which stipulates what can be built on the 247-acre property. Mayor Christiani expects this process to begin as soon as June 2, 2022. During this process, it will become clear whether all the issues that are relevant in such a B plan process correspond to the wishes of the community representatives, he said. The mayor also expects the majority of the members of the committee to recommend the council to initiate the development plan procedure. However, it will take time to complete the entire process, something which Christiani says could take at least 1 year. This lines up with the timeline we reported earlier this month, that if all goes well, construction on Giga Berlin's expansion could begin in June 2023. Giga Berlin is only just a few months old, having officially opened in March 2022. Tesla was hoping to open the factory in mid-2021, but the delay was pushed back by more than half a year due to Tesla making amendments to their plans, but also the slow permit approval process. Moving to the next update, Tesla drivers are almost 50% less likely to crash while driving a Tesla than when driving other cars, study says. New research from Cambridge Mobile Telematics, CMT, one of the industry's largest telematics service providers, has found several interesting trends regarding electric vehicle drivers. Among the study's findings involve Tesla drivers who were almost 50% less likely to crash while driving a Tesla than when driving other cars. CMT's research dealt with driving risks for electric, hybrid, and traditional vehicles. The findings of the study were discussed at the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Charging into an Electrified Future conference. As per a press release from CMT, its study revealed that EV drivers exhibit acceleration risks ranging from 180% to 340% higher than when driving traditional combustion-powered vehicles. While alarming, this is quite understandable, considering the different behaviors of electric vehicles compared to their ICE-powered counterparts. EVs tend to have instant torque due to their electric motors, so drivers with a heavy foot may end up accelerating more frequently than intended in an electric car. This would be especially true for powerful EVs, such as the Tesla Model 3 or the Porsche Taycan. That being said, CMT's research also revealed that Tesla drivers are 50% less likely to crash while driving their premium all-electric vehicle than if they are driving another car. This suggests that Tesla drivers may actually be more alert and responsible than what is suggested in critical mainstream and social media reports. Interestingly enough, CMT's study also revealed that Porsche electric vehicle drivers are the opposite of Tesla drivers, as they are 55% more likely to crash while driving their electric Porsche than when driving another vehicle. Ryan McMahon, VP of Strategy for CMT, shared his thoughts on the study's findings in the following statement. Among the most compelling new findings are the comparisons between drivers who operate both an electric vehicle and an internal combustion vehicle, allowing for a better understanding of risk across vehicle platforms. These findings include an analysis of Tesla drivers who also operate another vehicle. These drivers are nearly 50% less likely to crash while driving their Tesla than any other vehicle they operate. We conducted the same analysis on individuals who operate a Porsche and another vehicle. In this case, we observed the opposite effect. Porsche drivers are 55% more likely to crash while driving their electric Porsche compared to their other vehicle, McMahon said. Moving to the last update, Tesla 2022.16.0.2 update includes navigation energy prediction, blended brakes and more. Tesla has started rolling out its 2022.16.0.2 over-the-air update. The update includes navigation energy prediction, blended brakes, improvements to driver profiles, and supercharger wait times. Teslascope first detected this update rollout on a 2019 Model 3 Performance in New South Wales, Australia. Since then, a few more Tesla vehicles have received the update, including 3 legacy Model S units, 6 refresh Model S cars, and 7 Model 3s. One of the new features introduced in this update is navigation energy prediction. The feature forecasts the amount of energy a Tesla unit will use given the driver's route. Energy prediction for your route has been improved by incorporating forecasted crosswind, headwind, humidity, and ambient temperature when using online navigation, stated Tesla's release notes. This update also introduced blended brakes. Tesla hacker Green explained that blended brakes automatically apply regular brakes during regenerative braking for consistent deceleration. He also stated that blended brakes are optional. Drivers can enable blended brakes by tapping controls, pedals and steering, apply brakes when regenerative braking is limited. Tesla also updated driver profiles. Now, drivers can link their media player accounts, like Spotify, to their driver profile. Media player accounts, e.g. Spotify login, are now linked to your driver profile. Simply log into your media account while your driver profile is selected, said the release notes. The latest OTA update may also show supercharger wait times to drivers. The feature would also show drivers less congested supercharger stations and reroute them to those locations. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.